Alright, y'all. So now I'm at work, and I'm here expecting this for this man to see if this fixable. And actually looks fixable. It's got a lot of damage going on this side, so it's gonna need some pull work. Might need a new bed. The bed got some stuff going on back here. But I think might be able to make it work. From what I see in here, the frame is not damaged. So we got the Avalanche over there. So it's a nice truck. I like the color. I don't know what happened here, but from all the pictures, everyone was saying that it's total, the frame's bent. But I'm here, and the frame ain't bent. Really, it's that fender what makes it look like it is, but the frame is actually straight. Now, as far as body panels, I would imagine that things are gonna get off the line. Gonna need rockers. So I don't necessarily see any frame damage whatsoever. It's got something going on in that corner. So I don't know if that's gonna bounce off the alignment, because you can see there's a bolt. I'm gonna point to it. There's a bolt right there. So if you look at all that, that's all. It don't look so good right there for that lower part of the fender, but might be able to make it work. And then I know it's some bolts in the inside of the fender that helps align it. So I don't see those bolts, so maybe this truck isn't that, but it looks all like, you know. And that core support looks like it can unbolt. So it'll be a whole core support, whole whatever in here is smashed. See if you guys can look in there better than me. So as we can see, everything's pushed up on the motor. The battery is flipped up, and the fuse tray and stuff like that is pushed. See if we can get a look from the other side. Hang on, guys. Okay, so yeah, we got everything pushed back. It looks really okay though. This side is alright, so you guys can see this side is the front, but it didn't hurt. I don't know. From the impact, what the impact could have did was push this frame just outward just a little bit. So we have to make sure on that is good. But from what I can tell, it just impacts here, and you know, the frame rails didn't take too much of damage. So I'm gonna tell him I can, if he can get the doors, or if he's gonna not worry about the doors, and then I can get this dent out as much as I can. And obviously there's gonna be some filler there, and then the bed, he might worry about the bed, because that's gonna be a little bit more for the bed and the doors and stuff like that. That's gonna be more. He just took a photo of the clip, so I didn't see all of this damage there. So I want to tell him I'll do it. Just depends on how long he gets the parts to me and stuff like that. It looks like it just was put here, so it hasn't been sitting here long, so that's a plus in my eye. So yeah, I'm going to give him a call and see what we can do. Alright guys, see y'all in a minute. Alright guys, so just got off the phone with him. We're gonna go ahead and lock this in. I'm pretty sure that this is locked in. So yeah. That front end is gonna be wholly rebuilt, which is a little bit crazy because it's all lying down. Next time you see it, it's gonna be all straight. So yeah guys, this is new to the new one. I haven't showed you guys any of my collision work or posted any of my collision work that I do, but I've done many of them, and they all, from the looks, people always cast them as totaled, and once I touch them, they're back rolling. So this will be another one, and so y'all stay with this project and watch this one. I want to get it back to my house. That way, if I need to do any pulling or anything like that, she's home and I can do that. So let's get this customer happy. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. So you guys saw that with the Dakota. I'm guessing that is. Yeah, it's pretty simple in my eye. It's pretty simple and something that's easily can be fixed. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that for him. You guys, again, like I said, you guys really haven't seen too much of the what actually I do to make my money and stuff like that. So I'm gonna bring that to the channel, and also I'm wanting to change the name of the channel to something more, you know, because I work on all cars, you know, and Chevrolet's my main go-to. So let me go ahead and answer this phone call, and I'll get back with you guys. Yeah guys, so I just got off the phone with him again. So we want to lock that in and go ahead and finish that car up. So hopefully he does. You know, some people, you know, with prices and stuff like that, you know, some people are just trying to see if, you know, they got any frame damage. You know, I do it sometime too. So, you know, it just depends on if he's going to how bad he wants his car fixed. So hopefully we get that car in there. He's wanting to get it over to my yard to get her fixed. I don't know if that's his daily driver or not, or, you know, his workhorse like me, what I do. So it just all depends on him. So again, back to the channel. I want to rename the channel because, you know, my hands are everywhere on every car, and in actuality I love Chevrolet, but I love all, minus Ford. So I love all, even, you know, to Honda, Toyota, you know, they're all good cars, and, you know, you just can't cast every vehicle away. But are they good cars? You know, some cars are not. Some cars, like Scotty Kilmer, he believes all cars are, you know, not so good cars. So so back to the channel. Yeah, so we're gonna do that, and now, so I'm on my way home to unwind. I got some of the things knocked off the list for the truck. I've put the belt tensioner on there. I got pulled from the junkyard this morning. I got the serpentine belt on there, and I got some other pulley that I replaced too as well, because my pulley, or my original, everything on my truck was original. So basically it was time for it to be updated and, you know, swapped out. And I put a new belt on that truck previous, and it ripped that belt right into shreds, and so I had to go put my original belt back on and deal with the dry rot. But it's got me through it. I would say 5,000 miles, so that's pretty cool. So you guys, I'll see you again tomorrow or whenever we get another video rolling. So stay safe, stay tuned, and be blessed. Alright y'all, so yeah, from yesterday I put that this morning I put this serpentine belt on. I put my tensioner on, and my pulley down there. Let's see if I can get it way down there, put that on. So that one's in a lot better condition than what mine was. So this was a lot of grease packed on and grime and stuff like that. So I just put them under some water and some Dawn and cleaned them off. Other than that, got a little spot, like wipe off my finger. But other than that, y'all, yeah. So I'm gonna slap the battery in here and let Mo breathe. I started them up yesterday, and but I just want to make sure that the tensioner is gonna work, because it's a little different. It's an aftermarket one, so I just want to make sure that it'll be good. But other than that, y'all, yeah, just showing that.